What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. So today we are putting on a new different type of wig. Well, actually it's not very different. It's a bob. It's a 10-inch bob wig from Wavymy Hair. It is 180% density and I am gonna try to attempt and put some layers on it. I lost the footage with me unboxing everything, but you know the usual: lashes, wig cap, comb, you know the drill. So without further ado, just watch me slay this wig and I will talk to you guys at the end of the video.
I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lying niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. Can start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, now, baby. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have me breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't fight. I can give it to you right, baby. I wanna be a healer. I can be real good. Please don't get these feelings. Hey, I need some love. I need some love. I need some love. And you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Think of our road through the hood. Problem put everything all good. My love, your nigga doesn't want smoke with me. Nah, no way. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and patient. Submit to domination. Archback, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke. That's my best combination. You just need some dig with no complications. You just need some. You just need some late night attention, unconditioned. All that you're missing, my babe. So, shouldn't even have to justify. I get it, I'm on your side. Guys get their way all the time. Besides, pleasure not meant for one side. You should just do what's best for your mind. How about I just take my time? You call up my line, I fall up inside you. Girls need love too, I know.
Girls need love too. Girls need love. Let me tell you something. Girls need love. If you love, then girls need love. Girls need love. So what's a girl to do? She needs love, and girls need love too.
for the game. It's a rich thing.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. This is what the hair is looking like. I absolutely love it. The lace, baby, get into the lace. HD French roll, that's what it's giving, and I just love it. This is my best closure bob wig that I've gotten so far. It was really easy to work with. The girl is just in love. It's giving silk press. It's really giving silk press. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much to Wavymy Hair for sending me this beautiful wig. If you want the details to this wig, just look in the description box below. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.